Hi friends, today you're gonna learn everyday use English sentences. শিক্ষকদেরকে সম্মান করতে হবে. The teachers have to be respected. The teachers have to be respected. সিদ্ধান্তটি নিতে হবে. The decision has to be taken. The decision has to be taken. সবাইকে জড়িত করতে হবে. Everybody has to be involved. Everybody has to be involved. সিদ্ধান্তটি বাস্তবায়ন করতে হবে. The decision has to be materialized. The decision has to be materialized. তাদের জন্য অনেক কিছু করতে হবে. Many things have to be done for them. Many things have to be done for them. নিয়মটি পরিবর্তন করতে হবে. The rule has to be changed. The rule has to be changed. তার জন্য একটি ঘড়ি কিনতে হবে. A watch has to be bought for him. A watch has to be bought for him. ছাত্রছাত্রীদের জন্য একটি লাইব্রেরি স্থাপন করতে হবে. A library has to be established for the students. A library has to be established for the students. পুকুরটি খনন করতে হবে না. The pond hasn't to be dug. The pond hasn't to be dug. তার প্রস্তাবটি গ্রহণ করতে হবে না. His proposal doesn't have to be accepted. His proposal doesn't have to be accepted. Or, his proposal hasn't to be accepted. Or, his proposal hasn't to be accepted. তাদেরকে এই ব্যাপারে অনুরোধ করতে হবে না. They don't have to be requested for this. They don't have to be requested for this. Or, they haven't to be recruited for this. Or, they haven't to be recruited for this. তাকে দাওয়াত করতে হবে না. He doesn't have to be invited. He doesn't have to be invited. Or, he hasn't to be invited. Or, he hasn't to be invited. ঘটনাটি গোপন করতে হবে না. The incident doesn't have to be concealed. The incident doesn't have to be concealed. Or, the incident hasn't to be concealed. Or, the incident hasn't to be concealed. কাজটি কি সময়ের মতো শেষ করতে হবে? Does the work have to be finished timely? Does the work have to be finished timely? Or, has the work to be finished timely? Or, has the work to be finished timely? সমস্যাটি কি সমাধান করতে হবে? Does the problem have to be solved? Does the problem have to be solved? Or, has the problem to be solved? Or, has the problem to be solved? বাড়িটি কি সাজাতে হবে? Does the house have to be decorated? Does the house have to be decorated? Or, has the house to be decorated? Or, has the house to be decorated? বিষয়টি কি প্রমাণ করতে হবে? Does the matter have to be proved? Does the matter have to be proved? Or, has the matter to be proved? Or, has the matter to be proved? দরজাটি কি বন্ধ করতে হবে? Does the door have to be closed? Does the door have to be closed? Or, has the door to be closed? Or, has the door to be closed? জানালাগুলো কি খুলতে হবে? Do the windows have to be opened? Do the windows have to be opened? Or, have the windows to be opened? Or, have the windows to be opened? ইংরেজি শেখার জন্য কি করতে হবে? What has to be done for learning English? What has to be done for learning English? কখন বাড়িটি সাজাতে হবে? When does the house have to be decorated? When does the house have to be decorated? Or, when has the house to be decorated? Or, when has the house to be decorated? কোথায় অনেক সময় ব্যয় করতে হবে? Where does much time have to be spent? Where does much time have to be spent? Or, where has much time to be spent? Or, where has much time to be spent? কেন কিছু নতুন বই কিনতে হবে? Why do some new books have to be bought? Why do some new books have to be bought? Or, why have some new books to be bought? Or, why have some new books to be bought? কিভাবে আলোচনাটি দীর্ঘ করতে হবে? How does the discussion have to be prolonged? How does the discussion have to be prolonged? Or, how has the discussion to be prolonged? Or, how has the discussion to be prolonged?